Hi and welcome to this video. Today we will talk about how to automate your inbox in the new Outlook with rules. Let me open my Outlook and then let's go to settings, and under settings you need to go to mail, and then we will have this navigation on the left side and we need to go to rules. Here you have first to choose your email address. If you have more than one, you need to click on this drop down menu and choose from it. Then you need to go to add new rules, and here you need to give your rule a name, for example, test. And then we need to choose a condition, and here we have a lot of options. So first we have people. So from to email received for others. This means like if you receive emails for your boss, this rule is gonna move, for example, the email to a certain folder. And then if you are on the to line, this means that the sender added you to the to line with more people. Then we have on the CC, then I am not on the to line, or I am the only one who is receiving this email. Then we have the subject includes, subject or body includes. This is going to filter the content of the subject or of the body to see if there is a certain word in it. For example, if you are working on an event or a project and you want to collect all the emails in one folder, you can use these two options. And then we have keywords. It's also the same. It's filtering messages for keywords. And then we have another option here, mark it with importance, sensitivity. And then we have message includes, flag type, has an attachment. We can target even the size of the message, and we can target the date, or we can apply the rule to all messages. So let me just go to I'm the only recipient, and then we can add an action like move to, and this is gonna give us another option. Select a folder, we can move it to junk mail. So if I'm getting a lot of spam messages from a certain IP or a certain person, we can move it all to this folder. We can also create a new folder, and here after clicking on create new folder we need to type the name. I'm not going to create a new folder. I think the idea is clear, and we can just add junk mail now. And then we can accept some people, like again we have the same filter. We can accept emails from a certain email address. We can type here an email address. The last thing at the bottom here, we have stop processing more rules. This means that if you have more rules and these rules have kind of conflict between them, this is going to protect your emails from being deleted or moved to the junk folder because of two different rules. And you can check this to run the rule right now. That was all for today. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.